two metal rod 1 and 2 are same length, that is L and length of the metal rods are same, have same temperature difference, that is delta T is also same between their ends. Their thermal conductivity are K1 and K2 and across sectional areas A1 and A2 respectively. The rate of the heat conduction in 1 is 4 times that of the 2. That means that is H1 is 4 times of H2. This is the data given, and L of the L1 is equal to L2 and delta T1 is equal to delta T2. They are given here. We know that the rate of heat flow, that is H, is equal to, we can write it as K, that is thermal conductivity into area into delta T divided by delta X. And they are given delta T is the same for both the rods and length delta X is also same. Then we can write H divided by K times A is equal to constant. This becomes the constant value. Then we can write, if rod 1, H1 divided by K1 into A1 is equal to H2 divided by K2 into A2. Then H1 by A1, H1 by H2 is equal to K1 by A1 divided by K2 into A2. Then we know that H1 is equal to 4 times of H2. We can write it as 4 times of K2 into A2 is equal to K1 into A1. Then we can choose this option, that is K1 into A1 is equal to 4 times of K2 into A2. Option A is our right answer.